Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. I make 8-bit music and I have put a link to that in the video description if you would like to check that out. And today we are taking a look at the Sennheiser Momentum In Ear headphones. They are the type that is in ear, and you can see what they look like. And I've already checked out some of the box and I know that there's tape, which means that we're going to be using a knife because I don't feel like picking in eternity. So we're gonna see. This is an unboxing experience review, of course, which means that I will be reviewing the experience of what it is like to unbox this particular product. So with the tape out of the way, what we can do is open the box, and we are greeted with something that feels fuzzy. It's like some sort of high quality foam, I guess, and it's a bit tricky to get out of the box. Oh, I see. It's like on the back. It's paper on the back and foam on the top, so that's kind of weird, but that's kind of cool at the same time. And then there's this little bag here that you detach. I don't know. I guess we're gonna take a look at what this is. This is some extra. I have no idea. Oh, it's like extra to fit your ears if you have different ears. So that's fun. And then you have this. This is actually really nice. It feels rather high quality. Okay, so you open it up and you're greeted with this, just like the well, you can see the headphones, and then you take that out of the bag or the pouch or whatever, and then you can actually see the headphones. And yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, so you unwrap it like this. I have a hard time believing that anyone would have the energy to do this every single time they want to travel with their headphones. So this is like, I guess you can do it, but I think it's mostly like a first time thing that you do. And then once you have this out of the way, then you have your actual headphones, which is your standard 3.5mm gold plated thingamajig with the actual earbuds themselves here. This looks really nice actually. And then you have your little remote control here on the cord. And does it say, I wonder, which is left and right in a readable fashion? It probably does, but I can't see it because my vision is quirky. But yeah, there's the headphones. And the experience of unboxing is actually really nice. Like, you get this high quality premium feel. Because you have the bag, and then the bag itself is like inside some packaging material, and it's really cool actually. So I'm gonna give this an 8. 2 points are taken off because there was that tape, so you need to use a knife, which I don't like to do that. I just like to be able to open the box directly. So yeah, an 8 for me. Really nice packaging, really high quality feel towards all of it. So yeah, I give it an 8, and that's all for this time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.